Welcome to our opening of our amazing extension. And I think today really marks a truly special moment in the life of the school. We're not just opening a new building here, we're opening new doors to opportunity, to growth and to inclusion, which is so close to our hearts. The extension is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a symbol of our collective and unwavering commitment to every child's right to learn, to thrive and to be celebrated for who they are and to celebrate all of their abilities.
Today we unveil a sustainable two-storey extension that creates 80 additional places for children and young people with profound and complex additional learning needs. This facility has been shaped around the needs and the potential of the pupils that attend, and they will help children learn, play and thrive, and I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you will achieve within these walls. I look forward to watching the school go from strength to strength and hearing the success stories that will undoubtedly follow. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.